Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. I'm a cosmetic chemist and a skincare specialist and scientist. And today we're going to talk a little bit about skin barrier. So what is a skin barrier? Your skin is designed or comprised of many layers, right? So there's just layers, just like, a layer cake or millefeuille as they call it. It's got all of these layers. The top layers are corneocytes with lipids. So you'll know this as probably the epidermis or the skin that you see. Now that is your skin barrier, okay? This is the element, it's a barrier, it's a protection for your skin. Why do you have that? You have that to protect your skin or you or your body from elements, okay? From unwanted bad things. That's really what's happening. It's also going to protect your skin from other things as well, right? Or protect you from things, okay? So your skin barrier is important because it's going to help to regulate, it's going to help to protect, it's going to help to preserve, and it also, when it's in good shape, looks good. So you think about your skin like a brick wall. You think about the bricks, you think about the mortar, okay? So your skin must have these, right? It has the cells and it has the ceramides holding it together. But if you overwash your skin, disturb the pH of your skin, scrub your skin, use very harsh chemicals and acids and whatnot, you can destroy, compromise, open up, weaken the skin barrier. And what does that look like? Well, that's going to look like irritated skin, red skin, inflamed skin, sensitivity, breakout. There's a lot of things that happen. So you go from skin that has a barrier or a security system, if you will, a wall, to one that has holes in it, or it's a very compromised. So now it's no longer the same structure. It's become weaker, it's become confused, it's got a lot of things going on. The alarms are going off all the time. So the skin becomes very reactive. So it's important to protect your skin barrier. It's important to enhance your skin barrier. It's important to support it any way that you can, because that's going to lead to happier skin and better looking skin, and skin that can do what it needs to do. So things to keep in mind with your skin barrier is, first of all, look for signs of any kind of discomfort with the skin. Is it dry? Is it irritated? Do some of these ingredients cause or some things that you're doing are causing your skin to react in bad ways? Is it patchy? That means there's a problem with your skin barrier. So what you want to do is you want to use ingredients that are going to help with your skin barrier, right? So what kind of things that are going to work for your skin barrier are going to be things like ceramides, like good fats. Properly formulated skincare products with a acidic mantle. Vitamin C is very good for the skin barrier, even low dose retinoids. So anything that, if you were to look at your skin and you were to look at what your skin was made of, so your skin is made out of proteins, right, and lipids. So things that are going to enhance the proteins, feed the proteins, protect the proteins, and things that are going to support the lipids, both of those things are going to help with your skin barrier. So why do you want a good barrier? You just want your skin to be happy. You know, a lot of things that we're doing with skincare or even with makeup, right? You need to have happy, healthy skin for it all to look good, right? So this is why protecting that barrier is important, knowing what's made, I think it's important too when you think about what's inside the barrier, what makes the barrier, what does it need, okay, and what can I do to support it? Those are the things that I think it's really good information to share. Also know that a lot of times when you're overdoing something and your skin is reacting, don't try to do things to mitigate it, like add niacinamides, add lipids, add ceramides, add things that are going to help calm and soothe and rebuild the skin barrier. If your skin barrier has gone really crazy and you need like an emergency fix, I love zinc oxide. That's one of the things I keep with me all the time. If my barrier gets compromised for some reason, maybe an abrasion or something happened, I put that zinc oxide on. It's white, it's thick, it's not the most pleasant, aesthetically appealing, but it's medicated. It helps with that skin barrier. You wake up in the morning and your skin is like halfway there. So much better. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the conversation on the skin barrier. Keep your barrier healthy. Pay attention to your skin because it does speak to you. It does give you signals. It does slowly, things are happening. Look out for them. Don't ignore them. Just change a little bit of your routine. Maybe don't be as aggressive with certain things. Add more of the gentle things to keep the inflammation down. That's really the key, is keeping that inflammation down, keeping the barrier healthy, keeping the hydration in and the moisturization in the right pH, in the right environment. See, it is a chain reaction, right? Everything links to something else with skin. So starting with a nice healthy barrier really helps take care of so many other things. So don't over scrub, don't overdo it. A little bit every day is the best way to go with your skincare and your skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed our conversation on the skin barrier. Here's to you and your skin barrier. Have a nice healthy barrier. And I look forward to your questions and comments. And I thank you so much for tuning in. And let's talk real soon.